Fáilte welcome to Irish by Design's SCT piano accordion collection. This collection is based on the SCT graded traditional Irish music series, designed to help you learn, enjoy and play Irish music with confidence. Enjoy the music. This is my interpretation of the tune called the Gullane Polka. It is played here in the key of D major and 2/4 time. A bright, buoyant polka emphasizes clarity in each note and add a gentle lift at the end of each bar. Keep the tune flowing with a light, cheerful energy. Widely played between 110 and 120 beats per minute.
Action, kicking off with Aston Villa right here on Sky Sports. Our world shapes like bones in extraordinary ways. Masterpiece again. It was in that moment I knew I was going to kill myself. The end of the days are near. The gates of hell are open.
If you'd like to follow the full SCT piano accordion collection, please subscribe to the channel and join me as we bring these beautiful Irish melodies to life, one tune at a time. Slán go fóill. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tune and we look forward to sharing more with you very soon. And remember, as always, Irish by design.